Once upon a time, in a lush and vibrant island village in ancient Polynesia, there lived a spirited and courageous young woman named Moana. From a young age, Moana was drawn to the ocean, its vastness mirroring her longing to explore beyond the horizon. Her father, the island's chief, always cautioned her about the dangers lurking beyond the reef, insisting that their people must remain within the safety of the island's boundaries. Yet, Moana's heart was bound to the sea, and destiny had something extraordinary in store for her. As crops began to fail and the fish became scarce, the people of the island grew worried. Moana's grandmother, wise and with stories to tell, revealed to her the truth that their ecosystem suffering was the result of the demigod Maui stealing the heart of Te Fiti. The ocean, knowing the bravery within Moana, chose her to embark on a perilous journey to restore the heart of Te Fiti. Moana, determined and tenacious, set off on her journey across the ocean, accompanied by the ocean itself, a vexed rooster named Heihei, and eventually the demigod Maui. Maui, cocky and reluctant at first, became Moana's unlikely companion. Although he initially underestimated her, he soon recognized Moana's indomitable spirit and resolve. Together, they faced monstrous creatures, navigated treacherous waters, and encountered challenges that tested their limits. Along the way, Moana discovered her true self, realizing the strength and courage she possessed inside her. Maui, too, learned from Moana about compassion and selflessness. In the end, Moana was able to confront the fiery spirit Te Ka and courageously revealed its true identity as the heartbroken Te Fiti. By returning the heart, life returned to the land, the ocean, and the people. Moana returned to her island, greeted as a hero, having fulfilled her destiny. She taught her people to embrace their voyaging heritage, taking them back to their roots as wayfinders, and thus bringing prosperity back to her island. Moana's journey had not only saved her island, but had also paved the way for a new chapter of exploration and hope, reminding everyone that a true wayfinder knows not just where they are going but understands who they are meant to be.